Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Kia Optima. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and a ratchet. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before beginning any work. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the pulleys. Next, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. You might need to remove a few bolts or brackets that are blocking your access to the alternator itself. With the belt off and connectors disconnected, it's time to remove the old unit. Unbolt the alternator from its mounting points, usually 2 or 3 bolts. Carefully maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay. Now, position your new alternator in place, ensuring it aligns correctly, and then secure it with the mounting bolts. Almost done. Reconnect all the electrical wires to your new alternator, making sure they are snug. Then, reroute and retension the serpentine belt correctly. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check your dashboard for any warning lights, ensuring the new alternator is charging properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.